Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You must be signed into your Google account on the device, and Drive should be installed or updated. Open Play Store, search Drive, and tap Update or Install. Once done, open Drive. Make sure your phone has internet access, cellular data, or Wi-Fi because Drive needs to sync. If prompted, accept the permissions so the app can access files and photos. This gets you ready to view and manage your Drive content immediately. Once Drive is open, you can browse My Drive, Shared, Recent, and Starred. Tap Folders to drill down. To upload, tap the plus button. Choose Upload to send photos, videos, or files. Choose Document Apps to create new docs, sheets, or slides. To keep things current, open Settings and enable backup and sync for your photos and selected folders. This ensures automatic uploads. Make sure you choose whether to upload over Wi-Fi only or also on. You finish by organizing and sharing. Long press a file to select multiple items, then use the menu to move, remove, or add to folders. To share, tap the file, choose Share and set permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, then send the link or add collaborators. If something goes wrong, first check that you are signed into the correct account, that you have enough Google storage, and that Drive has the required permissions. Clearing cache or reinstalling the app often fixes stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.